What's going on, Go Car Go here real quick, guys, with a quick mod. You see this? You see this? Yellow lights, yellow lights, yellow lights. We can't have that.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
What are we gonna do? We're gonna swap them out with these.
Nice.
That's right, 19 LEDs, about 19 LEDs to swap out all of these to the white. How easy is it? This easy. All right, so you see the yellow tint. Not liking that. Not liking the yellow. Go ahead and get that cleared out. Let's get that out of here. So it's real nice in here, real gorgeous. But that yellow gotta go. That, no. All that, nah. This, gotta go. Let's get it cracking. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like, but there's a caveat. Woo. White it out inside. Much better, much cleaner. Except floorboards. The floorboards are different lights than what come in the set altogether. Those are almost wired in, so those you gotta get a wired alternative. But me, I have other lights in here. Better change that or alternate that. Yeah. So I have I have another set of lights that I had wired in here for years and years. I actually had it on my white Charger. This is actually color changing, and at night looks super dope. Dirty back there. Let me peek back there. Bam. So you see, that's a good look right there. Black and the yellow, black, yellow, technically not black. Comment down below if you know what color my car actually is. It's not black, it looks black, I swear. The original color is right there, and that's not black either. Most people think it's black and yellow, it's really not. Comment down below if you remember what color my car originally was, and what color this wrap is. Yellow and what's that? What's that color in the back? It actually fades from a certain color that you wouldn't even think of to right there. If you've been watching my videos, you hear me mention it. Comment down below what you think it is. Nonetheless, look at the lights. We got new ones coming soon. These were Scat Pack beads that were down here that I got years and years ago, 2018 maybe. New ones on the way, custom. But nonetheless, those are white. These are white also. Don't mind the mess inside. You see it. My daughter's hoodie, papers, all that. But white. No more yellow, except for here. I'm probably gonna show a video on changing those out. Those are pretty easy. They're not hard out. Changing the wiring out underneath for the yellow lights, not these, the yellow lights. You see these? Whew, bright, super bright. All right, guys, I'm back at it. Go Cardo Go, simple mods. Let's get it. Got the white. I'm about to go ahead and re-ceramic coat this. Excuse me, graphene coat for my sponsors, Glassparency. So I just got another kit from them, graphene coating, booster. I'm gonna put the link down in the description what I got. Holler at me if you need me to do it and you're in my area in Lexington, Georgetown, Richmond area in Kentucky. This is Go Cardo Go. We out. Make sure you hit that, subscribe button. More videos on the way. Deuce.